Hey guys, it's George. I'm the digital marketing strategist here at Bisque Imports, and today I'm here to tell you about another category on our website. So if you enjoyed our field trip sale, you're really going to love this new category. It's called Priced for Camps and More, and it's the same category that was used for that sale. So these items are going to be perfect for any kind of summer camp, party, field trip, anything where we're having a lot of people come in at one time. It's going to be great because they're these low-priced Bisque items, but they're still going to be large enough to teach a project, a workshop, anything like that around. We didn't include any tots, any tag-alongs, beads, the small things that are obviously cheap because, you know, they're that big. So to get here, you can sort of go through the drop-down menu. On the homepage, under Bisque, it says Priced for Camps and More. Wherever you click that, it'll take you into this category. And right now, it's filtered to also include both Bisque and mosaics. And we did that so that you can have those additional filters there. So if you wanted to filter it by holiday, you could go over and click Halloween, see all the Bisque Halloween pieces we have. Right now, the mosaics won't get filtered that way. We're working on adding that feature to the mosaic bases. It's just not quite there yet. So if you wanted to filter mosaics, you can go back through, and then you can click on by type instead. And then there'll be the mirrored mosaics, the thin mosaic plaques, or just normal mosaic plaques. The reason that we added in the mosaic bases here is because they're great for like a quick take-home project. They fit in the same price range as these other pieces of Bisque. You can use them with acrylic paints, even if you don't offer actual mosaics in your studio or your business. And so this is great, especially if you're running a camp. During those first 2 days, it's great to have sort of fired arts, clay building, painting on Bisque, things like that. But towards the end, you sort of want to have those options of quick take home so that at the end of the week, they can sort of have all their stuff ready to take home with them. And so the mosaic bases are great for that. Any of the figurines, anything like that, where you can put acrylic paints on it over putting glaze on it so that they can get it home quicker. So this category makes it really easy to find all those great shapes. It's going to be your go-to place whenever you're trying to run a camp or a field trip, or you have a last-minute event coming up and you're looking for that perfect piece. This is going to pull all those cheap pieces together to make sure that you're making the most profit that you can. So that's all I have. Make sure you stay connected.